Hi, I'm Dr. Anju Teresa Andrews. I'm a psychologist. Today, I would like to speak to you about anxiety disorders. So, what is an anxiety disorder? Anxiety is a normal reaction to stress. Each and every one of us might have experienced it at some point or other in our lives. A little anxiety is actually a good thing. It can be beneficial as it makes you more alert, helps you prepare better, and pay more attention. For example, it can motivate you to prepare better for an exam. But when this anxiety becomes so overwhelming that you are unable to learn, or despite your best preparation, you perform poorly at your test, or even worse, you avoid appearing for the exam, then it is anxiety disorder. Anxiety can become problematic when you experience it as an overwhelming emotion, making it difficult for you to manage, and it comes unexpectedly. When it starts interfering with your school, your work, your professional and personal life, then it becomes a disorder. You start to worry about things you actually do not need to worry about. You spiral in the what ifs, should have been, ought to have, must have, buts. You can't get your anxious thought out of your head. You feel trapped all the time. You feel helpless. You're unable to do things that you need to do. You get jittery. You experience sweating, trembling, increased heart rate, stomach aches, shortness of breath. You tend to avoid situations that you believe might trigger your anxiety. Then you may be suffering from anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorders are one of the most common psychological disorders, and 30% of the adults experience it at some point or other in their life. According to WHO, 1 in 13 globally suffers from anxiety. Children too can suffer from anxiety disorder. The use of the term disorder makes many of us uncomfortable. It simply means that your anxiety exceeds the norm and it starts interfering with the quality of your life. The good news is anxiety disorders are treatable. In fact, they are one of the most treatable conditions of all emotional disorders. Anxiety disorder, if left untreated, can get worsened. It not only makes a person feel stressed out, it can make them feel very sad too. It prevents them from living their life to the fullest. Anxiety disorders are generally treated with psychotherapy, medications, or both. If you need help, do not hesitate to ask. The suffering that you experience can be stopped with the right approach. Seek help from a professional who is either a psychologist or a psychiatrist. Thank you.